Good day! Today I'm going to show you how to use the file commands in Ubuntu terminal.
Now I'm going to show you how to use the command lines using the Ubuntu. So all you have to do is click here and then search for the terminal. This one. Click it and you will use this dialog for your command lines. So the first command that I'm going to introduce is the ls command. It is used to list files or directories. So I'm going to type ls, and these directories right here, it is the directories that can be seen in my home directory. So I wanted to know, what if I wanted to know what directory I am currently in? So I'm going to use the pwd command, or the present working directory command. So I'll type pwd and it will show me what directory I am in, which is my user directory. Now, I wanted to teach you how to use the cd command, or simply the change directory command. So, example, if I wanted to go to my root folder, I'll type cd and the root, which is the /. And then, now, I'm going to know if I am in my root folder. So, I'm going to use the pwd command. You see, this indicates that I am already in my root folder.
So the next command that I'm going to introduce to you is the cddir, or the change directory to dir. So I'm going to type cd. Then I'm going to check if I am already in my user directory. So I'm going to type pwd. You see, I'm already in my user directory. So I wanted to know the files under my user directory. So I'm going to put, or simply type dir. And also, this dir command, which will give you a list of all the files and folder of the current folder you are working with or you're under with.
So now I'm going to teach you how to use the dir command, or a command that creates a directory dir. So I wanted to create my own dir, so just type mkdir and then the file name or the directory name you wanted. Let's say I want to create the sample. Let's check if it was created. You see, there is a sample directory in here. So now, what I wanted to do is to move this sample directory to this folder or directory. So it's going to use the command mv file1, file2, or the moving command. Then mv, the source, which is sampled, and the directory where I wanted it to be, which is the documents. Okay, now let's see if it was fully transferred. You see, you couldn't see sampled because it was transferred in this directory. and let's check if it is really in there. Just cd change directory and documents. Then let's use the dir command, which will give the list of the files of this directory. You see, sampled is under the directory of the documents. So now I wanted to remove this sampled directory. So since it is a directory, let's going to use the rm-file command. But since it is a directory, we're going to use rmdir and then the directory name or the folder name, which is sample. Okay, let's check if it was deleted. It's already deleted. So now let's try to go back in our user directory, and then we'll try to copy a file. So let's go to cd desktop and let's check what folder I have in here. It's the pictures, so cd pictures. And then let's take a look if there is any file in here. There is, which is Shelyn. So what I want to do is to copy this file or make another copy of this file. So all I have to do is to use the cp file1 file2 command, or simply the copy command. Type cp Shelyn, which is the source, and then let's make a copy of it with Shelyn 2. Okay, let's check if it really made a copy itself. You see, this is the copy of this file right here. So that's how you copy a file, and that's how you can use the cp command. So now I'm going to teach you how to use the touch command. Touch command is used to create new file or update file. So let's try it. Just type touch and then the file name that you wanted. I'm going to file my name school supplies .txt for the text. And then let's check. There, you can see the school supplies file. And then what I wanted to do is to put some content into this file. So I can use the cat command, because cat command reads file and places standard input into the file at the same time. So type cat, the redirection sign, and then the file name, which is school supplies .txt.
Okay, so I'm going to put some words or content into the file. Let's say paper, pen, pencil, and bag. After that, Control D. So let's check if this information was saved into this file. Type cat school supplies .txt. You can see this is now the content of this file. And now I'm going to show you how to use the more command, and more command outputs the contents of a certain file. So what I have this grocery.txt here, grocery file. So I wanted to show the content or to output the content of this file. Type more grocery.txt. So this is the content of this text. But how about I wanted to display 10 items of this content? So I can use the head command, which outputs the first 10 lines of the file from this one to this one up to where the 10th line. So let's type head grocery.txt. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It displays the first 10 lines of the file. First 10 lines. So now I wanted to output the last 10 lines of the file. So I can do that by the tail command. So tail grocery.txt. You see, it displays the 10 last lines of the file grocery.txt, from orange to potato, from this one to this one. So that's how you display items when you wanted to display the last 10 lines of a file.